This is my completed Ben Eater 8-bit computer clock module. If you press the button, the clock pulses. Alternatively, if you flip the switch to automatic mode, the clock will pulse by itself. And if you need to change the speed of the clock, you can turn the potentiometer and it will speed up or slow down. As well, if you take the halt line, which is connected low, disconnect it, the clock will stop, and you can connect it high to keep it stopped. This works even in manual mode, so switching it back to manual mode with the switch, and pressing the button does nothing. But if I take the halt line and bring it back low, pressing the button advances the clock.